Test your space knowledge. Let's get started. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Read the options below carefully and answer the question. It's Mercury. Well done. Which planet is known as the red planet? Read the options below carefully and answer the question. It's Mars. Doing great. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Read the options below. Yes, it's Jupiter. Well done. Which planet has the most moons? Read the options below. Yes, it's Jupiter. Well done. What is the name of Earth's moon? Options are given below. Yes, it's Lupa. You are correct. Which star is closest to Earth? Options are given below. Yes, it's the Sun. Well done. Which of the following is a gas giant? Read the options below carefully. Yes, it's Neptune. You have a great knowledge about astronomy. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Read the options below carefully. Yes, it's Milky Way. You are correct. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Read the options below carefully and answer the question. Yes, it's Venus. You are doing good. Which planet is famous for its large ring system? Read the options below carefully and answer the question. Yes, it's Saturn. You are right. How many planets are there in our solar system? Read the options below. It's 8. You are doing really good. Which planet has the longest day? Read the options below and try to give the correct answer. Yes, it's Venus. You are doing good. What is the name of the first human-made satellite sent into space? Read the options below carefully and answer wisely. It's Sputnik 1. You are correct. What is the approximate age of the universe? Read the options below and think wisely before you answer. It's 13.8 billion years. You are correct. Thumbs up. What is the primary component of the Sun? Read 4 options below and answer the question. It's hydrogen. That's correct. Keep it up. Hope you liked this video. To watch more, like, share, and subscribe.